Alright, we are rolling. Hey, OD, can you light this sparkler for me? I'm about to record this.
Yes, sir.
On YouTube. Say hi to my new friend.
Now, how do you know that you have to ask him that he might be on YouTube? You can't just...
Wait. Alright, guys. I'm about to, do this. Okay. Do this. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Woo! Look at this, everyone. Look at this. Look at this. Look at it. Guys, look at it all. Oh, geez, it's starting to rain. Oh, God. These things are sparking me. It stings like a bee sting. Okay. Guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this all. That first one's going to let out first. Second. Guys, that was awesome. I recorded this just for you guys. It was just a little clip to show you guys that we represent 4th of July. Anyway, Jaden from the warehouse reporting out.